time with other members of the herd. They form herds of several hundred or more, which congregate in winter and break up in summer. If threatened, the herd bunches up closely, with cows and calves in the middle for protection from predators, mainly lions and hyenas. Buffalo also observes smaller family groups of related cows and their calves. The older the male, the further he moves up the hierarchy ranking and earns a prime position at the front of the herd where the risk of predation is reduced. The huge African elephant, everyone's unchallenged safari favorite, our gentle giant, needs no description to recognize it. A few rudimentary elephant facts. The male African elephant grows up to 3,5 meters high at the shoulder and weighs up to 6 tons. Needs over 100 kilograms of food a day just to stay alive, and needs to eat for 18 hours a day. Males are noticeably larger than the females and about twice as heavy. Not all adults have tusks, and some elephants like to live in habitats providing ample grazing, water and shade, such as grassland, riversides, tree savanna and light woodland, where they feed on virtually any and every plant material available: grass, leaves, roots, seeds, fruit, bark and wood. They are dependent on water. Adult males drink 120 liters a day, but if it is not in their proximity, they will cover great distances in search of water and can survive for 3 to 4 days without it. Elephants drink by sucking about 4 liters of water into the trunk and transferring it into the mouth. Life expectancy is up to 60 years. Here, the elephants are mud wallowing and drinking. Females are seen here walking with their calves and suckling. The calves are very carefully protected by their mothers and the other females, who stay together, bonded in a strong female family group. Elephants are highly social animals. Groups of up to 10 related females stick together in a family with their calves, led by the oldest cow, known as the matriarch. Such groups join with others to form large herds. The males leave the family in their early teens. In the cut and thrust of nature, elephants find time to show a remarkable concern for their fellow creatures, and even appear to mourn for their dead.
I'm going to have a lot of pet shots.
Oh, damn, that's great.
Come on, big guy. Strut your stuff. Look at them pants.
Yeah.
Too much testosterone.
larger than the mountain zebra. Although there are general differences in the striping that distinguish zebra subspecies, it is also a fact that each zebra has its own unique pattern, and no two are identical. It is a theory that the stripes may help other zebras to spot one that is being attacked and pulled away from the herd during a night hunt when visibility is poor. Their main predators are lion, hyena, leopards, and cheetahs. Herds of zebra like this one can cover huge distances in search of good grazing. Zebras are family animals. A stallion will have a breeding herd of 4 or 5 mares, which he controls and defends aggressively. Most are born in the summer season. The foals can walk within minutes of birth and run after an hour. Zebras prefer to eat short grass and need a plentiful grazing supply. They also eat leaves and twigs. They are very dependent on a ready supply of water. These are blue wildebeest, a member of the antelope family and very common across northern, central and northwestern South Africa, although their migratory habits have been restricted. Waterbuck, distinguishable by their round white ring on the rump, are stocky, shaggy-haired antelopes. They prefer well-watered habitats such as floodplains or grassland, close to water, hence their name. As well as grass, they also like to eat marula tree fruit. They usually stay in herds of about a dozen and are easily preyed upon. Females form into herds with their young. Young males form bachelor herds until they become mature and territorial. The adult bulls are very territorial and defend territory by fighting, often to the death, with aggressive male intruders, lowering their heads, indicating a threatening intention. The warthog's so-called warts are these lumps that you can see here beneath each eye. The male